In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants in Squarespace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the login button, usually at the top right corner of the page. This will bring up the login screen. Enter your credentials and sign into your account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure to follow the prompts to log in securely. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website. From here, you will need to click on the website button found in the left sidebar. This will take you to a view where all the aspects of your website can be edited and updated. Next, click on products and services in the menu. This opens up a list of all the products you currently have in your store. Locate the product you want to add variants to and click on it. If you haven't added a product yet, you can do so by clicking on Add Products. This is important for ensuring that you have something to work with during this process. Once you've selected the products, draw your attention to the inventory section. Clicking on this will allow you to manage how much of each product you have in stock and is crucial for ensuring you never oversell or disappoint your customers. Now comes the exciting part, adding variants. Navigate to the variants section within your product page. Here, Squarespace allows you to add different variants to a product. These variants can be based on things like size, color, or even material. Simply click Add Variants and you'll be prompted to enter different attributes for your product. For instance, you might be listing a t-shirt that comes in small, medium, and large sizes and in red, blue, and green colors. For each of these attributes, enter the options your product offers. After entering these details, be sure to save your changes. You'll see that each variant you've just set up appears in your inventory list along with its own stock count. If applicable, enter the stock number for each one so you can track how many of each variant you have. When everything is set the way you like it, be sure to preview your product to see how the variants display on your store page. This helps ensure that everything looks good from your customer's perspective and functions the way you intend. Make any necessary adjustments before you finalize the setup. And there you have it, you've successfully added product variants on Squarespace, offering your customers a richer shopping experience. Thank you for following along, and as always, happy building.